I got my ceiling in. It's all in for the most part. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. This is my van Vanna, and I invite you to join me on my journey to convert Vanna into a camper van. Come see what I'm working on today. So hi everybody, I am back at it working on Vanna, and I have my planks. So here are some planks that I stained the other day. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these planks and I'm going to put urethane on them. They're really cheap. You know, I got them from Home Depot, and they're really cheap. So I'm just gonna put it on here and line them up 8 at a time, and urethane. And it is super hot out here today, so I'm going to be painting inside the garage. Hopefully it's a little shady in there. So let me get this done. Finish this just in time before it starts to rain. Good morning everybody. So I am back with working on Vanna, and today I am going to be putting up some planks for my ceiling. I'm going to play with my puck lights, make sure that they are working, and make sure I accommodate the puck lights in my planks when I put it up. So I want to make sure that they work, at least in the cell. And let me get to work. Okay, so I'm just going to put the positive and the negative into this drill battery. See if I can see some light. I closed the door so it can be a little darker. Let's see if I can do this holding my phone in my hand, which I probably can't do, but let's see if I can. Got phone, battery, and this. Oh, look at that. There you go. So, look like it's gonna work. So far, so good. Okay, so I forgot to drill my hole for the puck light. So I had to drill it. This is the puck light. So I had to drill the hole in place. So next time I have to remember to drill my hole before I pin it up. Alright. And my first puck light is in. Nice. Coming along. It is perfectly imperfect so far. So I went back to the exhaust fan, cover it up, put that on. Problem is it's kind of cracked. Screwing it in, but more imperfection. Perfectly imperfect, but it's up. Doesn't look too bad from a distance. Let me see. Is that noticeable? I don't know. Good morning, everybody. So I'm back in Vanna to finish up my ceiling work. Thought I could finish it yesterday, but I did not. So let me see if I can get it done today. So here's the deal. I got my ceiling in. It's all in for the most part. All in. Now I have one plank left and this much, one plank and this left, and I need to get the edge here, which will be very visible, I believe, when entering the van. This side will not be visible. There will either be cabinets up here. It looks like I'm just going to have to buy some more because I am planning to come down the wall some for my shower. So I might have to buy some more anyway. But anyway, I got one plank left in this, and I think I'm going to use it on this side. And one plank in this is not enough to do the whole length because the plank is 8 feet long. This is about, what, 14 inches maybe? And this whole van is beyond 10 feet. So I am going to try to be very strategic in where I place the plank. I definitely want to get over the door because that's going to be visible. And maybe stop at a point over here because my AC is going to go up here. So it's going to be blocked at some point all the way down. And the end back here, I think this corner right here will be visible. And maybe this corner will be visible too. I don't know. But I'm not going to worry too much about it because like I said, I think I'm going to have to buy one more box to handle this ceiling over here in my shower area. So let me just throw these last two pieces up on this end so that will be done. And let me get to work. And there you have it. My last plank. The last plank is in next to the entry, and it stops right there. Everything beyond here will be either my AC up there and then the Murphy bed. So I think that should be good for now, and I will take care of everything else later. Okay.